Hello everybody and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. Today I got another sweet one for y'all. We have the caramel apple shot. So you're gonna start off with your sour apple pucker, and we're gonna be using caramel vodka. So you're gonna start off with your shaker, and we're gonna want the small one filled with your caramel vodka. And then we want the big one filled with your sour apple pucker. Extra drop just for good luck to make sure it's a full shot. You're gonna want to get your ice in your shaker. And give it an old shake down. Strain your shot into your shot glass, and there is your caramel apple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your drink, and I hope you enjoyed this video.